Today I am going to explain question number 6 of exercise 4.2. Here the question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay, here question says that a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. एक cottage industry है जो कि pottery articles बनाते हैं एक दिन में. It was observed on a particular day. एक दिन ऑब्जर्व किया गया है कि हर एक आर्टिकल का प्राइस जितने भी आर्टिकल्स बनते हैं उससे 3 मोर देन ट्वाइस यानी दुगने से 3 ज़्यादा. ठीक है. इफ़ द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑन द डे वॉज 90 रुपीज़, जितने भी आर्टिकल्स बनते हैं उस दिन का कॉस्ट है 90 रुपीज़. ठीक है. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Here we need to find the number of articles produced on the day and the cost of each article. Okay. Solution. Let the number of articles produced be x. Cost of each article will be 3 more than twice the number of articles. Twice number of articles is x, no? Twice the number of articles, that is 2x. 3 more means add plus 3, okay? 2x plus 3. Cost of each article will be 2x plus 3. Okay, total cost of production is equals to total number of articles into cost of each article. Here given cost of production on the day was 90. Okay, 90 is equals to total number of articles is x. Okay, x into cost of each article is 2x plus 3. Okay, 90 is equals to x into 2x plus 3. 90 is equals to x into 2x, that is 2x square, plus x into 3, that is 3x. 2x square plus 3x. I am taking 90 on right hand side, so it will become minus 90 is equals to 0. Here we'll be using splitting middle term method. We have to split the middle term into two parts in terms of sum or difference. Okay. Here we need two factors so that by adding or subtracting we should get plus 3. Okay. First we'll multiply coefficient of x square by last term. Here coefficient of x square is 2. Last term is minus 90. 2 into minus 90, that is minus 180. So product is equals to minus 180. We'll find out the factors of 180. 2 9s are 18. 2 zeros are 2 90s are 180. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Multiply 2 into 3 is equals to 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 12 and 15 are the factors of 180. 12 into 15, that is 180. Okay. Here coefficient of x is 3. No? 3 is equals to 15 minus 12. Okay. So 3x can be written as 15x minus 12x. Okay. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equals to 0. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equals to 0. Take x common. Okay. X is x into 2x. X into 2x, that is 2x square. X into 15, that is plus 15x. Here take minus 6 common. Okay. Minus 6 into 2x, that is minus 12x. Minus 6 into 15, that is minus 90. Minus into plus, that is minus. Okay. Is equals to 0. X minus 6. 2x plus 15 is common. Okay. 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. X minus 6 is equals to 0. X is equals to 6. 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 15. X is equals to minus 15 by 2. number of articles cannot be negative. Okay, x is equals to 6. Number of articles is x, that is 6. Okay, cost of each article is 2x plus 3. 2 into x, x is 6 plus 3. 2 6 are 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay,